Okay, so now that we know the 5 W's, we're going to do a little trial in Canva. So the first thing you're going to need to do is log in with your email. You can either use your Falcons or your personal email, but you are going to have a free account. But there is so much that you can still do with a free account. Canva, if you've never used it before, is a free tool that you can use to design flyers and really just any sort of graphic content quickly. It has a ton of flyer templates that you can use to build a quick and visually appealing flyer. So once you've logged in, you're going to go to create a design in the top right corner. Alternatively, you can search for a flyer template in the search bar over here, but this is just my preferred method. And you're going to select portrait, or you can also select a landscape flyer. So we're going to select portrait over here. And if you'd rather just create a flyer from scratch, you can go through the elements over here, look up graphics, you can choose certain text, you can upload pictures as well. But for the sake of time, especially if you are not graphically, visually inclined, you can just hit the design tab over here and describe your flyer in 5 or more words. But we're just thinking in terms of movie night, right? Let's start big. So it's a movie night, so I'm going to type in movie, right? Now, we can see that there are a lot of premium choices over here. The first thing I'm going to do is just look for a free option if we're assuming we have a free account. Okay, let's do this one. So this obviously does not, we're going to have to edit a bunch here. It doesn't really fit the theme that we're going for. Now, you could absolutely just keep this way, but just to kind of give people more of an idea of what's going on, I would personally make it a little more custom. So let's go ahead and do that. right, so that took us about 5 minutes. I added our where, our when, our why. I'm trying to target the who, right, with like a fun flyer, something a little bit more casual, but still gets the point across in a formal enough way. And then I also included pull tabs because if you have the option of doing an incentive, it would be great if you could include the pull tabs so that they can enter to win a gift card. But then it also has like the time and the place on it as well. Alternatively, you could do a QR code to just save paper if you wanted. So instead, just do a QR code to a Microsoft form or a Google form and just have them enter their Falcons email to enter to win digitally instead of doing like a pull tag. So this is another option as well. Once you are done with your flyer, you can hit share and then download. And I would always recommend downloading as a PDF because it is best for printing. And then it'll download to your personal computer. And that's it.